my name is Josiah Rea. I'm going to show you how to add a custom icon or a favicon to your WordPress blog. And I'll show you what that means right here. Here we have our WordPress blog opened up in Firefox, and you'll notice up in this corner, Firefox is displaying sort of the default I don't know what to display icon. And we want to change that to be whatever our custom icon is. Now I've gone ahead and created my own custom icon for my production site, jraystudios.com. And I've scaled it down to 16 by 16, which is sort of the standard size for an icon. However, I'm not going to use an icon file. The reason is that you can do this kind of scaling and creation inside a simple program like Paint, but you cannot create it as an icon. You can save it as a PNG, which is what I've done, but you need to use a special converter to convert it to an icon. So this is kind of a simpler method of doing things. Now the first thing that we're going to do is grab our favicon PNG, and we're going to drag it over here to the root folder of our directory on the server. Now that that's uploaded, I'm going to link the WordPress header to this icon. I'm not sure if this will work with if you switch themes. It may not. If it breaks, just go ahead and go through these steps again with your new theme. So in this WordPress dashboard, I'm going to come down to Appearance, Editor, and we're going to open up the header.php. And if I scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll notice I've inputted this code here, which is a link to the icon. And you can copy and paste this from someplace or type it just as I have it here. And basically it's changing the icon to it's looking for an image type of PNG, and this is the exact link of the image that I've got up there. Now if you're using a JPEG or something like that, you'll need to switch it over. I recommend a PNG because it's a smaller file format. It's a little bit more compressed. But if I copy this code here, this HTTP URL, and I open it up in a new tab, you can see that's exactly where my image is living. Now, if you're not sure what to do about this beginning part of the file or of the URL link, because obviously the favicon.png is the name of the file we just uploaded, but to get this first part of where it lives, you can go ahead and open up your site in a new tab, and it's everything before WordPress, if you've got WordPress installed in that subdirectory. So just grab this jraystudios or whatever your URL is, etc., .com or .net or what have you, and put that in front of the favicon bit in the URL link. So I'm going to go ahead and update that file, and inside of Firefox, I'm going to clear my history. And the reason I do that is because Firefox, like a lot of other browsers, will cache icon images, and so you can refresh the page all day and it's not going to change most of the time. And it can be very discouraging and kind of confusing to have that happen. So we're going to go ahead and clear our history. I'm going to clear everything all the way back. And I'm actually also going to close Firefox just to be on the safe side. And I'm going to grab the URL link for my home page of my blog, open up Firefox again, and open up my blog. And there you can see it's loaded up my custom icon. And it will stay that way if I go to different pages on the blog. It's all linking because it's all linked into the same theme, and the theme is linking to the same header file. It's always linking back to that same icon. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to put a custom icon or a favicon onto your WordPress blog. I'm Josiah Rea.